Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a row stay in Google Sheets. Okay, the first step that you should do is you have to prepare your table like this. Okay, and in this video, we are going to make the first row stay. Okay, make sure that you pay your attention to what I'm saying, okay? Okay, the first step, you can click the first row like this, okay, and then you can tap and hold for a second, tap and hold, and then you can click on these three dots and then you can choose freeze. Okay, and then now your first row will stay even though you are moving the cells like this. And that's the tutorial from me, guys. Thanks for watching.